So my name is Kristi and I am from the middle of nowhere, Sutton, Nebraska, where I own a small family practice.
All right.
I've been there for about 12 years.
And how was your experience at the R3 training?
So I've had a great experience at the R3 training. I definitely came in as a novice because my patients have recently started asking about stem cells, started asking about some alternative treatments. I came in with the idea that it was time I learned. So I've gained a great deal of knowledge and just need to go home and kind of figure out how to implement all of this. Definitely had a great hands-on experience. I've done several joint injections today. Yesterday I've had the opportunity to watch several different types of procedures for sexual health, for joint health, for overall health. So overall great experience. It was not a watch and learn, it was a watch and do.
And did you have a procedure yourself?
I did.
Right, that's great. So that way you can relate to patients.
Yes,
about the experience.
There's a lot of information. I mean, after day one, I felt pretty overwhelmed, and there's a lot to learn. And I came in as a novice, but I felt like it was definitely a good offset of each other.
So you would recommend the experience to others who want to immerse themselves?
You can't really do the hands-on without the knowledge, and you really can't, do the knowledge without the hands-on. They definitely go together. So I would say yes, if you want both, this is probably the place you got to come.